Hello everyone, I am Shubham from IBM QRadar team, and in this video I will take you through how to download the RPM from Fix Central and installing the downloaded RPM. Firstly, you have to open a browser and type the keyword IBM Fix Central. The portal is IBM Support Fix Central. Click on the portal. As soon as we enter the portal, we have to enter some of the information which will take us forward, such as product group. So the product will be IBM Security. In IBM Security, you have to specify the product name, that is IBM Security QRadar SIM. The installed version will be as per your requirement. The platform will be Linux, and you can go ahead with continue button. As we can see here, the browse and fixes is already selected, so we can move ahead with continue. We can see here there are multiple fixes available in this fix central, so you can select as per your requirement. For example, I am selecting the DSM one. You can select as per your requirement as well. For example, I am selecting the first one. Now there is an accept term policy, so I will do I agree and we will proceed. Now there are mostly two methods for downloading an RPM. If your QRadar machine has an internet access, then you can directly download this RPM from here. To do so, just right click on the RPM, copy link, log into your QRadar console, just enter the command wget, paste the URL which you have downloaded. As we can see here, the package has been downloaded directly. The other method will be you have to click on the RPM. The RPM will be downloaded in your local machine. Then you have to move this RPM from your local machine to the QRadar machine by SAP or WinSAP tool. Now moving forward for the installation part. To install this particular DSM, we have to just run a command yum install -y and the DSM name. It will take a moment to install the package. As we can see here, the installation has been completed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any assistance, check out the helpful links in the description. Thank you.